Ladies and gents, hello. Welcome to another vlog. Vlog. Oh gosh, so many things going on here. So it's a beautiful Wednesday. I just fed my buddy Snake, and now I'm gonna go home. That's right, I fed my buddy's Snizeg, because it's snake life, you know what I mean? Have you ever seen a snake that is really cool? I have. Look at all these buildings around here. It's all new. It's all a bunch of hipster shit. Look at this hipster shit. It's a gorgeous area. I do like this neighborhood. There we go. What is this? COVID vaccine? What, they do vaccinations around here? That's cute. That's totes adorbs. This person is like driving. Like, I don't understand, bro. Why the distance, bro? Bro, you do that, I'm gonna sneak in. All right, you suck. Look, there's literally room for a bike right there. All right, we'll leave him. What is this? Freckles juice. Wait, Jonathan said, oh, that's the supermarket. That's crazy. My dude's got a supermarket in his basement for realsies. It's kind of impressive. It's kind of impressive. Anyway, yeah, pretty good day. Now I gotta go back to my home office and take care of some shit. Just got some emails that I was hoping to get earlier, but some people don't follow directions. You know what I mean? Some people don't follow directions and don't know what it's like to email before 9 a.m. Uh-oh. Got some sort of a police situation back there. Really, bro? What's with the distance? That sick-ass navigator not working so hard, not working so good. Why am I talking so much shit? Let's just be positive and enjoy. You know what I mean? There we go. Look at this. It's a school. What do I need? What do I want for lunch? Oh fuck, man, this road just sucks. All right, we're gonna go on a different road. This road is just not for someone like me. This road is for people with more patience and more better outlook on life, you know what I mean? I'm too cranky for this shit. Alright, I'm about to pass this guy because, bro, I get it. You're driving a little Benz, but you don't have to drive it like a little princess. You know what I mean? Or unless you are a little princess, and then knock yourself out. Go ahead, bro. There we go. Is that a church of some sort? What's happening here? Some sort of a church situation, I'm guessing. Bruh. I don't know why there's so much traffic here today. Why? And this guy is like freaking Is there a stop sign? No, I don't think so. I mean, I see the turn signals and shit, but, you know. Bro, let me get past you. It's gonna be alright. Oh, it's Graham. Interesting. I didn't realize, it's such a small world. Look at this new building. It's like a container home of sorts. Adorable. Should we let this lady go by? Yeah. She started. Might as well let her go by. And she made it. Perfect timing. Good for her. See, some people know how to time their street crossings as opposed to some other people who don't. One would think that it's a pretty obvious skill, but it ain't. It ain't. And I do have to get ahead of this thing because otherwise it's gonna take 5 hours. Perfectness. Perfect speed, not too fast, because there's speed cameras around here. It's a school zone on a school day. Adorable Benz though. God damn, son, you alright? I wonder what it was, because obviously it's not gas. I mean, 65 gallons. I don't know. Maybe I should get some gas after all, but it's all good. Do I want to wash this bitch? Maybe. Why is this guy so upset? I don't know. He was saying the F word. Usually people say the F word when they're upset, but I didn't see any reason to be upset. Well, you never know though. You never know what the person is going through. So we got Graham ahead of us with like double parked cars and shit, so we're just gonna have to exercise our calmness. Damn. Because there's double parked trucks and shit. Go. Right, that fucked up. No, look at this thing. The slingshot. It's kind of adorable. Kind of adorbs. Oh, right, that thing might be closed over there because of the kitties. Oh, that's the pharmacy I gotta go to. I mean, I might as well walk. Shit. Can I park? Nah, that's alright. That's whatever. Yeah, this is literally the pharmacy I gotta go to because I need my EpiPen. You guys know what EpiPen is? It's so you don't die if you have a shellfish allergy, which I do. I do have a shellfish allergy. Alright, come on, give me that green. Look at it, it's totally fun. I don't understand what the issue was with my bike. No, can't turn there. We'll do a full spin. All good. Not a problem at all. Smell of bacon. Nothing like a smell of bacon in the morning. Alright kids, well, guess what? The vlog is pretty much coming to a close. And it's all over. But thank you for watching. You know, it was a short little weird vlog. I mean, not much got accomplished. except for some shit talking and some like finger pointing and whatnot, you know, some mockery, some fucking mockery. But that's how life works sometimes. Sometimes you just gotta mock the mock, you know. Sometimes you gotta mock the mock. Anywho, I'll talk to you guys later, okay? Bye-bye.